Flood is an overflow of water that soaks or covers land. Floods are the most frequent type of natural disaster worldwide. It can be caused by several things, naturally, and from the effect of human behavior. The most common cause is because of the overcapacity of the body of water, river or lake. As a result, some of the water flows outside of the body of water. It can also occur in rivers when the strength of the rivers is so high that it flows right out of the river channel. A flood from sea may be caused by a heavy storm, a tide, a tsunami, or a combination of the three. There are several types of flood. Periodic floods occur naturally on many rivers, forming an area known as the floodplain. These flow floods usually result from heavy rain, sometimes combined with melting snow, which causes the river to overflow the banks. A flood that rises and falls rapidly with little or no advance warning is called a flash flood. And now, on the location, we already have Russia. Russia?
Okay, Yosua, I am Rasya. I am already at the areas that are one of the areas that affected by the flood. In January 2024, Riau is one of the areas affected by flood, especially in Pelalawan Regency. Flood disrupt transportation routes and commercial supplies, pollute drinking water system, damage home, buildings, and roads, and cause severe environmental problems. Often, the effects of flood are long-term and can be very costly, disruptive and distressing for communities involved. As we can see here, many vehicles had to turn around to go to other areas because the roads they generally use were affected by the floods.
Okay, Yosua, I'm already in the location. As we can see here, many residents' houses were affected by the floods. Flood make it difficult residents to carry out activities and find sources of clean water. Soil and vegetation absorbs most of the surface water. Floods happen when there are lack of trees and soil alone cannot absorb all the water. The water then runs off land in quantities that cannot be carried in stream channel or kept in natural ponds or man-made reservoirs. A flood can also be caused by blocked sewage pipes and waterways.
Thank you. To prevent and cope, flood cannot be done by any government or individual person only. It takes commitment and cooperation of various parties to avoid Jakarta and other Indonesian cities from the great flood. The action can be done in good, discard the water uptake holes, increase the green open space, changing people's behavior in order to no longer make the river as a giant trash. Thanks for watching Devos News today, and we'll back tomorrow at 10 p.m. Goodbye.